Hello guys, today I have this Samsung 43-inch smart LED TV. The problem is double image. Samsung smart TV, double image problem. Model number UA43J5500AK. So let's do it now. How to repair double image problem. So this is Tican board, FFC cable, left and right. This is the power supply and this is the main board. So first I open this left side FFC cable, and after we check our half screen is okay or not. Okay, now I turn on the TV. Okay, half screen okay. So our problem in this side, left side. So I need to block some CKV gate line from this side. So after blocking line, so we have to check again our TV stable image is okay or no. So I block here first. Otherwise, so I already blocked this CKV and gate line. I already blocked. Now let's try. After blocking some lines, now we check our TV is okay or no. So turn on. Okay, done. Okay, so this is Samsung 43-inch smart LED TV. Fix double image problem. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like and share and comment. Subscribe my YouTube channel.